Amazon Kindle Review. The basic Kindle is no longer so basic. Our verdict. It's by no means the best e-reader money can buy, but introducing a backlight to the cheapest Kindle means it's now much more difficult to justify buying a more expensive, top-end e-reader. If you're always reading, the Kindle Paperwhite or Oasis may be more for you, but as an all-round and affordable option it's very difficult to fault the latest Amazon Kindle. If you're looking to buy an e-reader right now, it's almost certain you'll be looking to buy something from Amazon's Kindle range. With 3 products on offer, the Kindle family offers something for everyone, with top-end features restricted to products like the Kindle Paperwhite or, even more so, the Kindle Oasis. Amazon Kindle, 2019, at Amazon for $89.99. That said, the cheapest and most basic Kindle option, the one we're reviewing here, is getting better with each passing generation. In fact, the 10th generation, released in early 2019, is one of the most capable e-readers ever. Whether you're looking to upgrade your existing e-reader, swap from reading ebooks on your phone, or take the first step towards your library, the 2019 edition of the Amazon Kindle may be exactly right for you. The new Amazon Kindle was released on April 10, 2019, and you can buy it directly from the retailer now around the world. You can also get it from some third-party retailers. As for the price, it starts at £69.99/$89.99/$139 for the basic model. All versions of this Kindle come with the same amount of storage, but the price difference comes into it because with this cheaper variant you'll have adverts on the lock screen. If you want to avoid all those adverts, you can pay £79.99/$109.99, about $1.50, for a model that doesn't come with them on board. It doesn't seem this is the case in Australia though. Instead it seems the company just offers a version without ads. It's worth noting this is more expensive than the last gen Kindle model. It's around $10 or £10 more than the starting price for the last gen model, but that's not a major price difference, especially considering that here you are getting a backlit version for the first time. Design. The design here is remarkably similar to all the other basic Kindle models, as instead of shaving off areas or redesigning the entire look, Amazon has stuck to its guns with what's become a consistent design for the e-reader range. When you pick this up, it immediately doesn't feel as premium as the Kindle Paperwhite, and it's in a different, and lesser, league entirely compared to the Kindle Oasis. It's notably easy to hold in the hand though, with its 6-inch display making it easy to hold in one hand even when you're being thrown about on a train and you need to hold on for dear life with the other hand. The exact dimensions are 160 x 113 x 8.7 mm, which while thicker than more expensive e-readers isn't noticeably different. The body of the e-reader itself is plastic, and this is largely why it feels less premium than the all-metal body of the Kindle Oasis. There are also big bezels with a lip that keeps them raised above the screen. That makes the screen less likely to scratch, but these are bigger than a lot of people will be expecting on an e-reader like this. It does give your finger somewhere to sit when you're reading though, and gives you a good place to hold on to the device from. To turn on the display, there's a button on the bottom edge of the e-reader alongside the micro USB port that is used for charging it up. There are no other buttons around the outer edge of the e-reader, making it easy to hold without hitting them accidentally. It's an odd choice that the company hasn't adopted USB-C on any of its Kindle models yet. USB-C would allow for faster charging and mean you're more likely to be able to use the charger that came with your Android phone too, but it's something the company hasn't seen fit to do yet. You've got the choice of either black or white colors for the Kindle, and if you don't like those looks there are a variety of third-party cases,